What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
We got a 2009 Chevy Silverado LT. It's got a lot of custom work done to it. Supercharger, long tube headers, and then what we did on it was a FLOWMASTER Outlaw and duals out the back. We'll let you guys hear it. We put a Y pipe after the FLOWMASTER Outlaw. You guys get to hear it's got a cam in it. Definitely outlaw sound. That's nothing. You know how much fun you can have though? Listen to that. You know what we're doing this. That sounds phenomenal. Think of that sound. It sounds phenomenal, guys. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Supercharged beast. Look at that. Megan Charger. Supercharged Spectra. Cold air intake. This thing will fly. Long tube headers. Just a beast of a truck. He's getting it ready for the track. There's that phone number there, right there. If you guys want to see what it looks like. There it is. Go ahead. You can hear the roar. That's good. Silverado supercharged. 5.3, got a cam in it, long tube headers, and we just made it sound phenomenal, guys. With FLOWMASTER Outlaw duals out the back.